This is, as you can see, it's a dash cam. I don't know why you drive a car without a dash cam in this era, in this technology advanced era. This is a 1080p. It has two cameras. This does not, actually it has two cameras. Let me show you. Let us do unboxing together. So this is the camera. This is the dash cam. Actually, it is very small. You can even hide it in your car there and no one will know you have a dash cam. This is the inner ya ndani. Ile inachukua interior of the car, and it can rotate. It can rotate. You see? It can rotate. This is a screen, LCD screen for display. These are the buttons here for adjustment, and here is the front facing lens. This front facing lens actually records at 1080p. It records at 1080p. I'll show you the next video. I'll connect it in the car and I'll show you how actually it operates. This one, you see, this is where you put type C. Actually it uses type C charger here, type C connector. And what else? I'll also show you, this is where you put the SD card, and it has a mic. Actually this one records even the conversation inside the car. So if you need this one, actually we are giving this one actually at a very good offer. Let me confirm the offer. This one, how much camera? 1080p. Ndio nisiwagonge sana, hii kuja na 3500 tunakupatia hii, na iko na other accessories. Iko na connection cables here. It has even reverse camera. Wow, this has reverse camera. Here is the DC adapter cable or charger there. Here is a suction cap. In the next video I'll show you how it is installed. This is actually something you can install.